Hi, so this is the Renpho hair clippers, and this is a rechargeable 160-minute battery life hair clipper. And there's a lot to like about this. First, if I turn this on, you could see there are actually three settings, 0, 1, 2, and 3. So if I turn this on, you could see there's a battery life indicator. So that's the first thing I love about that. And there's also the 3 speeds. So if I turn it, you could see it's obviously faster. And then it's faster again. So just that it has the battery indicator. Now it also has an adjustable length here, so you could see that if I push this up, there are several adjustable lengths. 2.5 millimeters, 2 millimeters, 1.5 millimeters, 1 millimeters, and 0.5 millimeters. So let me go ahead, push this up. You could see it goes up gradually right there. And again, all the way to right up to the edge. Now you'll notice the blade here is white, and that is ceramic. So the advantage of the ceramic is that it doesn't heat up. You know, the traditional hair clippers has metal to metal, and that just heats up and gets hot. So if you touch your skin, you kind of, you know, not that you'll burn yourself, but you'll feel the really hot edge. Whereas this ceramic piece just simply does not get hot. So that is the awesome aspect of this. So this here is, it's just so handy. It feels very nice, you know, very maneuverable. So you know, just a lot of things to like about this. The design is really, you could tell they really had attention to detail with this. So one example of that is this recharger. So this charger, you could actually have it as a base and just charge it that way. Or the cord itself actually attaches directly. So if you are limited to space, you want to do traveling, and you just want to you know, bring the base or bring the unit with this electrical outlet, you can. Now if you have the base here, you know, this also attaches to the base. So the base charging is actually also very handy. So there's just multiple attention to detail here. Now if I go to what it actually comes with, you could see it's various clippers. So I will have a link in the description area near the video where you could you know, see where I got this from. You could see this is an angled, and you know, I'm just gonna place these here. You know, these are fairly standard. Now the other thing I want to show is also how to remove the blade. So let me go ahead and do that. You can see it also comes with the oil, you know, another, you know, cleaner here, a scissor and a comb, and this carrying case, this travel carrying case. Now the easy to clean aspect of this is the bottom here you could just rinse. So there is, you know, nothing mechanical here. You don't want to, you know, go above this when you're rinsing, so you do want to have a downward rinse. Now, you know, just as far as cleaning, you can see what I'm going to do here. I'm just going to pull it out just like that. And you could see, you know, the mechanism here. And also just cleaning it, you know, rinsing it and oiling it, you know, pretty much like that. Now putting it back is also just as simple. You know, just line up the edge of this with that edge, and then, you know, simply push it down, and it's as easy as that. So, you know, the design of this is just, you know, pretty amazing. And also the price is great. This is about $20. You know, the prices vary between $18 to $22. So just keep an eye out for the sales. But it is really awesome. Let me just show you around the box. So you could see what I mentioned before, a crystal clear LED indicator, 2.5 hour charge for 160 minutes of use. And I did find that to be the case, that this has long battery life. So, you know, two-way charging, the base and direct, and detachable blade. So that's what I showed you before, 3 selectable speeds and adjustable length. And this is this particular model. You know, 5 watts of energy. But really what I did want to show you is just the ceramic blade, also non-corrosive, so it's not gonna, you know, rust or anything. But what I find most of all is that it just doesn't heat up when you are, taking a close cut to the skin. So that's really what I want to show, and I hope this helps. Definitely like and subscribe this and support this channel. And thank you so much for watching.